Welcome to Invest Shark. Today we're diving into the foundations of investing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your strategy, understanding the core principles of investing is crucial for achieving your financial goals. Let's start with the basics. There are various types of investments you can consider, each with its own characteristics, risks, and rewards. The most common types include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and real estate. But what exactly are they and how do they fit into your financial strategy? First up, stocks. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a share in a company, making you a part owner. Stocks can offer high returns, but they come with higher risks. The value of a stock can fluctuate based on the company's performance and market conditions. Bonds, on the other hand, are essentially loans you give to a company or government. In return, they pay you interest over time. Bonds are generally considered safer than stocks, but they usually offer lower returns. They can be a good option for those looking for stable income. Next, we have mutual funds. A mutual fund pools money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. This diversification can help spread risk, making mutual funds a popular choice for beginner investors. Similar to mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, also hold a collection of assets. However, they trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks. ETFs offer flexibility and typically have lower fees than mutual funds, making them an attractive option for many investors. Real estate is another major investment type. Investing in real estate can mean buying property to rent out, flipping houses, or even investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate can provide steady income and potential appreciation, but it also requires significant capital and management effort. So how do these investments fit into your overall financial strategy? A balanced portfolio typically includes a mix of different types of investments to manage risk and achieve growth. Your specific mix will depend on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Understanding these foundational investment types is the first step toward building a successful investment strategy. Stay tuned for more videos where we dive deeper into each of these investments and how to make them work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from Financial Freedom Journey.